Hey everybody, Fred here with redlinemusclecars.com. This is our 97 Chevy extended cab short box. It's got 10-spoke US mags, $15,000 custom blue poly paint job, incredibly new VORTEC 350 fuel injection, all brand new, completely gone through from top to bottom. This is a show truck. Won multiple shows and is ready to go for you. Gorgeous truck. Blue everywhere it needs to be. 20-inch 10-spoke US mags look great, 4-wheel disc brakes. It's a 3-door truck, all new black leather seats, covers, back seat. It's got a plush and lush suede headliner and inserts on the door panels. Door panels are restored, the entire interior is restored. Look at the paint even on the door jambs. It's extremely nice. Ice cold AC. We bought this truck at Good Guys. Ran and drove home excellent. That's an hour-and-a-half drive. The bumpers are smooth, painted. It's got a black Bedliner in it. It's done right, it's gorgeous. It's got the reverse tailgate release. And it has the hydraulic hinges on the tailgate that let it drop slowly. I'll do that again. It is awesome. They removed the step pockets for the bed. Smooth tailgate, smooth bumpers. It's got a custom tag on it. Everything looks or is brand new or restored. 4-wheel disc brakes. Look at the paint. It is absolutely amazing. Like I said, it's a 3-door. There's the suede on the door panels. Super nice leather seat covers. These are stock seats, not some aftermarket seat. Ice cold AC. AM FM stereo with Bluetooth. The headliner is amazing. Console, doors open and close easily. All new weather strip. And look at that reflection all the way down that truck. Check out our website at redlinemusclecars.com. This truck's priced right and won't last long. We're told the gentleman had over $40,000 in it. It's priced at $24,900. .57 VORTEC motor, 10-spoke US mags, custom paint, custom interior, super nice. Inside and out. Call Fred at 580-221-4326. Check out our website at redlinemusclecars.com. Thanks, y'all. Have a blessed and awesome day.